Hello everyone, today on our channel we have something specific prepared for you. Our drone embarked on exciting journey to one of the most beautiful locations in Poland. However, attention, a mishap occurred. The drone collided with a tree. Don't worry, because today we will show you how to replace a damaged front arm hinge on the DJI Mini 3, Mini 3 Pro and Mini 4 Pro at home. Get ready for exciting repair adventures full of professional advice.
Takeoff. Landing.
Don't forget to be cautious and follow our instructions. Watch the video, stay with us till the end and subscribe to the channel, so we don't miss our new thrilling drone travel adventures. See you!